May I suggest that it is the most meaningful drone of the last year for us?
So, I think so.
So, when I came in Canada 1 year ago, it turned out I couldn't fly a drone here. Only citizen and permanent residents. Later, I received a special permit from Canadian Ministry of Transport fly drone up to 25 kilograms, but at that moment I was disappointed. Of course, all of this information available in advance on the internet, but it is what it is. It was decided to build a drone sub 250 grams. It doesn't need registration, and that's how it appeared. Quadmula frame, 2 motor components and motors, all 3 units with ability to record 4K video on the board. And it's as good as the first day.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do.
Of course, I didn't build this drone for flying in parks or fields. Let's go fly somewhere else. So, this is downtown of Vancouver, the very heart of the city, and yes, I'm going to fly here. Okay guys, a few words about the drone itself, and yes, this sub 250 grams drone, and judging by the fact that the rules are pretty similar in many countries, it gives you the opportunity to fly without the registration. As I said previously, only citizen or permanent residents can register a drone in Canada. I'm not sure, but this situation could be the same in other countries, so if you're a traveler. In my case, this guy drone was taken as a basic, the murder FPV, and I have to say the very good explanation and describe all building process this 3-inch drone. It may be not suitable for commercial purposes, but as a real FPV, it's a very good solution. Honestly, sometimes I like it even more than 5-inch drone.